Hello and welcome to proCode. In this video, we are going to learn about functions in Python. So let's get started with the video. A function is a group of statements performing a specific task. When a program gets bigger in size and its complexity grows, it gets difficult for a programmer to keep track on which piece of code is doing what. A function can be reused by the programmer in given program any number of. For example, so the syntax. First of all, we are going to look at the syntax of function. So function, to make a function we need to write def and then the name of the function. So you can the name of the function can be, the rules of naming a function is like the rules naming a variable. So I'm just going to type in function1 as it is our function, the first function we are going to write in the series. So here we type in like the round brackets, and then we type in the body of this function. So in this case, what I'm going to do with this function is I'm going to print like simple function hello. So now this is called a function. So this function can be called any number of times anywhere in the program. So now to call this function, we just need not to make a function and it will print automatically. It will not print automatically. We need to call the function whenever and wherever in the code we need to use this function. So to call that function, we just need to type in the name of that function. So in this case, it is function1. So now we have called this function here in our program. Now it will print hello in our terminal. So if anyone asks the definition of function, so the definition of function would a part containing the exact set of instruction which are executed during the function call. So this is the definition of functions. There are two types of function in Python. So the first one is called built-in functions, and the second one is called user-defined function. User-defined function. So examples of built-in function are len, print, range, etc., like the ones we have studied. And like this function over here, this is user-defined function which we have created in our program by ourselves. So it is not predefined, we have defined it now. So it is called user-defined function. So functions with arguments. A function can accept some values it can work with. We can put these values in parentheses. A function can also return values as like this, like great. this is the function name. And then we can type in arguments in this parenthesis to make it more reasonable. So name, in this case name, and then gr, then hello plus name, and then return. We are going to return the value over here, sorry, not here but here. Return name, not name, return gr. So, and then now it will, now when we call this function like greet and greet the name over here, greet Amir. So now it will greet, just I'm going to just print a, you can see that it has been printed hello Amir, but no space. Now see, you can see that my name, and you can just change the value over here like anything, Potter or anything, Potter, the hello Potter. So this is it for today guys, and I will see you next time.